Well, the old latch on the truck decided to quit working. The door won't stay shut. I got these two screws. A screw inside your window crank, and the door panel should pop off. Just gotta take this one off too. But I'm gonna get into this thing and see if something's stuck or if I just need to go get a new latch from the salvage yard. I'm down here hiding in the trim. There's a screw down in the corner, and then one inside the handle bezel cover, and the rest are just hooks that hook on. Should come straight up and off now. Well, the latch came out, had to unplug the door sensor and disconnect a couple rods. Just want to try and make sure we get those back on right.